here we are on the final process. You can see all the goo came out on both sides, and there's a little bit of haze. It's not bad, but you can see here it's got like this in the glass. So I was gonna sand it. I don't think I'm gonna need to sand it. I mean, I might with the light sand, but like I said, I don't think it needs it. They look pretty good, and at the end of the day, the more you sand, the more you take away. So I'm gonna go through this process, see what happens. And I'm here with Mr. Silverado and his Porsche, both Porsches, and he wants to show everybody. And he's gonna be filming me for a second here, showing me how I do this. I'm using McGuire, sorry, I apologize, Mother's Power Plastic. It has here, comes with the ball, and then it has a couple of items here for sanding. Here, go ahead, let's film me here for a second. We're gonna put some dabs here.
You told me when to stop the video.
Okay, we're gonna put here. And I must be doing something wrong. Yeah, this is not coming out. It says open, push, close. That's weird. You're filming to the floor, Bubba. I think this has to come out. The weird thing about it is it didn't say that. That's interesting. I wonder if this was opened already. Okay, so go like this. And you dab it. It says to start off slow.
Oh, I get it on camera. I'm just showing them, but I don't want to get it on the camera.
Then let me see. You're not pointing here, so you're not doing. It says to clean it up, see what's going on.
My hands are tired now.
I do notice a difference.
I don't know what to go now. Can I let this phone go? Okay, I'm just gonna put the phone on.
The final product. Lights are done. Came out pretty good. Not 100%, but for it to be 100%, it would have to be brand new. I'm happy. I'm happy with what I'm seeing. Both sides. Came out really nice, really clean. And once the film comes in, it will protect it a little bit more. I'll probably polish it one more time because the protectant comes in next week. Just because I'm my way that way. But yeah, came out pretty good. Remember all they had before. Little by little, she's getting there.